I have a narrow window of opportunity to do this video. So I'm going to finish the unboxing G1 Transformers. Moved a few things around since the last video a couple months ago, a month or two ago. Took all this down. So don't know what I'll do here yet. Change something. This side and that side. Anyways, let's get to it. Knock this video out. Oh, there's something I keep mentioning. Let's see if it'll even work. Maybe I'll start this over. I don't know if it'll work for this phone. Yeah, shoot. Charge it and everything. Alright, let's see if I can get the shakiness away from these videos. Till then, I'll be easy. Wait a minute, this is Hot Wheels. Maybe I should start over. There we are. It's Hot Wheels track. Well, I might need to sell that. I'm listing stuff on eBay too. Same name as YouTube, Matt1989 Cars. I don't have a whole lot listed right now. About a dozen items. I'm fixing to start listing what's left over of the Transformers I don't want. It might be a week or two. Alright, Dinobots. That's where we were at. And I had a reason to wait for this video. I was in the process of finishing the studio series. All the 86 versions. Look at that, I just happen to have this little background out too. Looks like G1 cartoon background. That's why I originally put it on my shelf. I was having figures stick to it though. Fine. And they are complete. It's a lot of. It's more than just their accessories. These are original G1 Japan die-cast mold. Should have a table in here. Alright, finally got 86 Grimlock with the number. They reissued this where you can get it now, but it doesn't say 8606. Yeah. You know collectors in the future are going to prefer the numbered ones. Especially all matching. I skipped those at first. And I'm such a completionist, I had to go back and complete what I started. 25 years of collecting. I don't know when I started the studio series, whenever they first come out. So figure that up. And it's done. I'm done with it. I have all of them. And the stuff they're coming out with now does not have numbers on it. Thank God. A couple more characters. I have to go back and complete to match up the G1s. They may be in this bin. Let's get to that before I run out of time. Ah, perfect. There's some right off the bat. The Omnibots. I forget their individual name. There's 3 of them. Oh, where's the third? And some rare dudes. I think they were mail away G1 characters or figures. I might not have enough time to go through this whole container. I think it's pretty full. Got shadows. That was a cheated Jazz. He was reissued parts with an original mold, I think. Focus. Anyways, so there's a couple like that. Some of those guys were bad about breaking, really, or a lot of these were bad about breaking. I think he was done the same way. So those two, not quite original. This guy he's 100% OG and rare. I don't know what he's worth now. I know he was hard to complete back when I completed these 20 years ago. Some loose stuff. That thing like swoops missiles. One of the Omnibots. Oh Lord, yeah. There's a hard one. Oh, there's yellowed some. It's a shame. He's all original. Raj. Hound. Good shape. All original. Yeah, this video is probably not very good quality either. At least y'all get to see me unbox them. I'll get them on the shelf and use that gyroscope thing on the phone so we can get some better footage. You know, I started working on the Lego diorama too for the handful of people that watch those videos. I'll get back to that soon. Or right after this video. It's almost 10 minutes. Might have to go into another one of these. Side swipe. That's a nice one. Sun streaker. Tracks. Got some reproduction labels on them. These are all original though. Good shape. And not yellow. I don't know if those guys do